How to change your account name on Facebook Lite. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create or change your name on Facebook Lite. But before getting started, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook Lite and make sure that you are logged into your account. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, then simply head over to settings and privacy down below. Now tap on settings, and once your settings is open here, you just want to head over to the account center where all of your pages and accounts are listed. So you just want to tap on the profiles option here. It will show you a list of all of the connected accounts to your account center. Now just choose the account that you want to change name of. And once you do that, simply tap on name. Now you can change your name from here. Then once that is done, tap on save. And now the name of your profile has successfully been updated. So it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video.